Hello, my friends. I welcome all of you back to my Southern Kitchen and the 8th episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2023. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all another great fall cookie recipe, and it's two of my favorite combinations. We're going to make maple pecan cookies. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. TheBomb.com delicious, going to be full of crunchy pecans and pure maple syrup. And it's sure to make your mouth water. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these cookies, and you'll be in heaven once you bite into them. And perfect for the fall season. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more cookies and maple recipes, check out my cookie and maple recipes playlist and my previous video, Southern Apple Fritters. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your baking pan, your pecans, and your maple syrup sugar, because we're about to bake some maple pecan cookie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is measure up our maple syrup. We need a half a cup, and I'm using my favorite, Michelle's Maple Cream. Alrighty, perfect. So now we're going to set our maple syrup aside while we work on the dry ingredients. In my bowl, I have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And we're going to add in our spices and leavenings. 1 teaspoon each of baking soda and ground cinnamon. 3/4 of a teaspoon of regular table salt. And 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Going to stir the dry ingredients together until they're well combined. Or you can sift them if you like. So now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my stand mixer with the pallet attachment, I added in 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick, or 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter at room temperature. And in 2 our butter, we're going to add in 1 cup of packed light brown sugar, or you can use dark brown sugar. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alrighty, my friends, to our butter and brown sugar mixture, we're going to add in 1 extra large egg at room temperature. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon of pure maple extract. And our pure maple syrup. We're going to continue mixing until everything is well blended. Alrighty, my friends. So now we're going to add in our dry ingredients slowly. Going to add a little bit in. And mix this in. And then I'll add the rest while the mixer goes. Alrighty, last of the flour. Mix everything together until they're well incorporated. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through mixing up my cookie dough. See how nice and thick that is? Love the smell of maple syrup And I can smell the cinnamon and nutmeg. Now there's one more ingredient we got to add to the cookie dough. The pecans. We're going to add in 1.5 cups of chopped pecans. And fold them in. Alrighty, my friends. And just that quickly, our cookie dough is complete. Now we're ready to form them into balls. We're going to scoop them in a 9 by 13 inch cookie sheet that lined with parchment paper. So using my ice cream scoop, we're going to dollop a scoop of the cookie dough like so. And place them onto the cookie sheet. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my cookies and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I've got all my cookies together. Now we're ready to put them in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to let them bake for about 10 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I have taken my cookies out of the oven. And it smells heavenly. And it's nice and golden brown around the edges, and look at the pecans. So now I'm going to let them cool for about 7 minutes. And then I'll place them onto my cake platter. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Maple pecan cookies. Doesn't that look good? So now I'm about to fix them up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alrighty, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Look at this cookies. Nice and golden brown on the bottom. Have a bite. Look at that texture. Chewy. I can taste the maple. I love that crunch from the pecans. And I can taste the hint of the cinnamon and the nutmeg. These maple pecan cookies are spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Maple pecan cookie-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.